This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Wanda Smith. Absolutely gorgeous, stunning and well-maintained lakefront home. Open floor plan for entertaining. This home has a 2-story foyer with winding staircase. Appliances are less than 5 years. Granite counters, tile backsplash and breakfast bar with gorgeous cabinetry and kitchen. Large family room with custom cabinetry. Sunroom overlooking the lake, with flooring and LVP. Upgraded lighting and ceiling fan. Large rooms for every member of the family. Centrally located near highway for easy access to every area of coastal Virginia including military bases, shopping, the beach, all within 30 minutes in any direction. A must-see. For more information, review the details below.